Hi there, welcome to Modern World Dynamics, your go-to channel for understanding the nuances of human behavior. We're about to embark on an intriguing journey today as we delve into the 12 amazing qualities of people who like to be alone. We'll be uncovering some truly surprising facts about solitude and the unique strengths that solitude-loving individuals possess. This promises to be a captivating exploration, filled with fascinating insights and sprinkled with a dash of humor. So, without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of solitude and its surprising benefits. The first quality we're going to talk about is independence. Picture this: a young woman sets foot in a foreign city, all alone. No tour guide, no travel buddy, just her and the sounds of everyday life in an unfamiliar place. She doesn't see this as a challenge to be feared, but rather an adventure to be savored. She navigates through the labyrinth of streets, enjoying the freedom to explore at her own pace. She stumbles upon hidden gems, experiences the culture firsthand, and learns to rely on her instincts. That's what independence is all about. It's about being comfortable in your own company, making your own decisions, and trusting your own judgment. People who enjoy their own company often develop this quality. They become self-reliant, confident, and resilient. They learn to trust themselves, and in doing so, they grow as individuals. So, as you can see, solitude can breed a beautiful sense of independence. Moving on to the second quality, empathy. Picture this: a woman named Emma. She enjoys her solitude, often spending her weekends tucked away in her cozy little apartment. Now, you might think she's disconnected from the world, but you'd be surprised. You see, Emma uses this time for introspection, to delve deep into her thoughts and feelings. This introspection helps her understand herself better and, in turn, understand others as well. One day, Emma notices a colleague looking a bit down. Emma, being empathetic, approaches him. She listens intently, offering comfort and understanding. She doesn't just hear his words, she feels them. How does she do this? It's her alone time that gives her the capacity to empathize, to truly understand, and connect with people on a deeper level. So even though Emma loves her alone time, she's far from isolated. She's in tune with the world around her. Isn't it interesting that solitude can actually make us more connected to others? Before we move on to the next quality, a quick reminder. If you've been enjoying this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Every subscription matters, helping us continue to bring you enlightening content. If you're able, consider supporting us further by making a donation. Your contributions fuel our research and make these videos possible. The donation link is just below in the description. Thank you for your support. Now, let's move on to our next quality. Our third quality is creativity. Creativity, the magical force that drives innovation and art. Now let's delve into a tale of a renowned novelist. Let's call him John. John was an ordinary chap, but with an extraordinary talent for weaving words into captivating stories. But do you know when John's best ideas would strike? You guessed it, when he was alone. In the hush of solitude, away from the hustle and bustle, John's mind would wander into the realm of imagination. Characters would spring to life, plots would twist and turn, and a whole new world would form on the blank pages. His solitary moments were like a cauldron, bubbling with creative magic. It was in these quiet corners of solitude that John's creativity would ignite, sparking stories that touched millions of hearts around the globe. So what does this tell us? Well, it seems that solitude can indeed be a fertile ground for creativity, isn't it? Let's explore the fourth quality, problem solving. Picture this: a young inventor named Alex, always buzzing with ideas, but his best solutions come when he's alone. When faced with a problem, like that time when he had to design a sustainable energy model, he didn't rush into a group brainstorming session. Instead, he retreated into his own world. In solitude, his mind became a playground of possibilities. His thoughts weren't interrupted by others' opinions or rushed by their impatience. He had the freedom to think, to question, to visualize. And voila, he came up with a groundbreaking solution that was both innovative and feasible. It's not that Alex didn't value others' opinions, but the tranquility of being alone allowed him to cultivate his own thoughts and ideas. It gave him the space to approach problems from unique angles, to see solutions that others might have missed. So, solitude can be a great ally in dealing with life's challenges. The fifth amazing quality is self-love. Now this is a big one, folks. Picture this, a young man named Leo. He was always busy, always surrounded by people. But one day, life threw him a curveball, and he found himself living solo in a small apartment. At first, he was lonely. But then, something changed. He started to see the beauty in solitude. He took up painting, read books, cooked meals for himself. He started to appreciate his own company, and in doing so, he began to love himself more. He wasn't just Leo the friend, Leo the colleague, Leo the joker. He was Leo the artist, Leo the chef, Leo the bookworm. He discovered facets of his personality that were hidden in the hustle and bustle of daily life. His self-love grew, and he became more confident, more content, more whole. So spending time alone can be a journey of self-discovery and self-love. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. We've journeyed through the remarkable qualities of those who cherish solitude, independence, empathy, creativity, problem-solving, and self-love. Each trait is a testament to the power of being alone and enjoying one's own company. So if you found this enlightening, give us a thumbs up and click that subscribe button for more insights from Modern World Dynamics. Thank you for watching, and remember, solitude is not loneliness. It's a powerful tool for personal growth. See you in the next video. Greetings, cherished viewers. I trust you're relishing today's content. However, before we return to the main event, I've got a thrilling announcement. This interlude is sponsored by Modern World Dynamics. Yes, that's us, and we have an unbeatable proposition exclusively for you. We're on a mission to inject dynamism into your life, and there's no better way to accomplish that than with our exceptional online courses. Here's a sneak peek at a few. Perhaps you're aiming to elevate your dating prowess with our men's dating course, or you're keen to refine your attire with our men's style course. Rest assured, we've got you sorted. For those on the quest for a life partner, our How to Find a Husband course is a must. Conversely, if you're a duo seeking to solidify your financial stability, financial planning for couples is just the ticket. For those aspiring to carve out a digital niche, our courses like How to Build a Personal Brand and How to Grow Your Social Media are ideal. And remember, the flawless dating profile is merely a course away. If you're a tad unsure about initiating contact, our How to Approach Women course has your back. Visit our website at www.modernworlddynamics.com and revolutionize your life today. Thank you for tuning in and for choosing Modern World Dynamics for your personal development voyage. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to our courses, assisting you in navigating the modern world's dynamics. Now back to the captivating content you are enjoying. Until our next encounter, remain inquisitive, stay connected, and continue to explore the dynamics of the modern world. Cheers, everyone.